Today we are comparing AutoDS and Spocket, two of the most popular dropshipping tools available today. If you want to start a dropshipping business or improve an existing store, then you have probably heard about both of these platforms. At first glance, they may seem similar because both help e-commerce sellers to find products and manage dropshipping operations. However, they actually focus on different parts of the business. One built for primarily around automation and store management, while other focuses more on supplier quality and faster shipping. So before choosing one, let's look at the key differences and find out which platform may be better fit for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get special offers on dropshipping tools, because by using our description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's start with AutoDS. AutoDS is designed as a complete dropshipping automation platform. Its main goal is to reduce the amount of manual work involved in running a dropshipping store. The platform helps users to import products, monitor inventory, update pricing, fulfill orders, and automate many routine tasks from one dashboard. For beginners, this can save a huge amount of time. Instead of manually checking stock availables, stock levels, or updating prices every day, AutoDS can handle many of this process automatically. Another popular feature is product research. AutoDS includes tools that help users discover trending products and analyze potential opportunities. This can be useful for beginners who are not sure what to sell. The platform also supports multiple suppliers and integrate with popular e-commerce platforms, making it easier to manage products from different sources. Now let's talk about the Spocket. Spocket takes a different approach. Instead of focusing mainly on automation, Spocket is known for its supplier marketplace. The platform connects sellers with suppliers, many of whom are located in the United States and Europe. One of Spocket's biggest advantages is shipping speed. Traditional dropshipping often involves suppliers located far from the customers, which can result in long delivery times. Spocket tries to solve this problem by providing access to the suppliers that can often deliver products more quickly. For customer satisfaction, faster shipping can be a major advantage. Another benefit is product quality. Many sellers use Spocket because they want access to the suppliers that offer high quality products compared to some general marketplaces. This can help create a better customer experience and potentially reduce the refund request. Now let's talk about the automation. This is where AutoDS has a clear advantage. AutoDS was built especially for automate dropshipping operations. Features such as automatic order fulfillment, stock monitoring, price update, and store management that help reduce repetitive work. Spocket offers useful e-commerce functionality, but automation is not its primary focus in the same way. Another important difference is supplier selection. Spocket's main strength comes from its supplier network and product sourcing option. AutoDS gives access to multiple suppliers as well, but many users choose it because of its automation tools rather than its supplier marketplace. Now let's discuss who each platform is best for. If your biggest challenge is managing product, processing order, monitoring inventory, and reducing manual work, then AutoDS is often the stronger choice. It is particularly useful for sellers who want to scale operations and automate routine tasks. If your main concern is finding quality suppliers and offering faster shipping to customers, Spocket may be the better option. It is especially attractive for store owners who want to build a stronger customer experience through the better product sourcing. Another thing worth to mentioning is that some e-commerce sellers actually use both. They use Spocket to find the product and suppliers while using automation tools to simplify daily operations. Now, let's answer the main question: which one should you choose? If automation is your top priority and you want software that handles many operational tasks automatically, AutoDS is probably the better fit. But if your focus is supplier quality, product sourcing, and faster delivery times, then Spocket may provide more value. The best choice depends what challenge you are trying to solve in your dropshipping business. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between AutoDS and Spocket and which platform may fit your e-commerce goals better. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.